Welcome to the first video series of Prudigm Engineering's informational videos on new trends in the construction industry as it happens in a city like New York City. As we know, construction industry in New York City is booming, which is good for economy of the city, the country, for job creation, and for everything else that's associated with it. Now, having said that, there are new trends and sectors which are some sort of a hot topic, what I call the hot potato these days, which are associated with construction, buildings, energy usage, the way construction is performed in terms of inspections and everything else associated. So, today what I'm going to talk about briefly, very briefly, is energy consumption, energy usage, and where we are going in terms of rules and regulations, the code, and the general trend in the type of energies that would be sought in future. I think I said this on my LinkedIn, Prudigm's LinkedIn website, that New York City has passed two basic laws in 2009, which are called 2009/84 and 2009/87. So what are those laws? Briefly, 84 says, well, you have to have your energy usage benchmarked. What that means is that for certain buildings of certain size, you have to have your energy usage reported to the city every year. And that mostly includes commercial buildings which are more than 50,000 square feet in gross area. And there is a different requirement for the city-owned buildings or the state-owned buildings. So those buildings have to report their energy usage, and that actually is done through a tool that has been developed by US EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, which is called Portfolio, which can be used to enter buildings' energy usage information, which can be the electrical energy usage, the fuel oil or the fuel gas energy usage, steam, if you have steam from Con Ed or any other utility agency. So those are gathered using buildings. Utility bills are directly from the utility companies, and that can be entered to Portfolio, and the Portfolio generates where the buildings stand in terms of their energy usage. Now the second law, but before I go to the second law, the first law, 84, says that has to be done every year for the previous year and has to be reported in the following year by May 31st. Okay, now, what is the second law, which is 2009/87? 2009/87 is 2009/87, is a step further to 84, which says you have to have your energy usage audited. What that means is that if your building is in a certain category where the usage of energy is high compared to similar buildings, then the building has to be energy audited. It has to go through energy audits in terms of where each energy sector or portion is being consumed, where, and that actually has to be done by professional energy auditors or professional energy managers, and that has to be done up to what they call ASHRAE level 2 energy audits, which is American Society of Heating, Air Conditioning Engineers standards. They have level 1, level 2, level 3, but the city requires a level 2 audit, and that actually has to be done starting this year, which is 2013, and that's based on where your building is located in terms of your tax lot. So in addition to energy benchmarking, energy audits, you also have to have what they call recognitioning. Means whatever has been discovered or found out during the energy audit has to be implemented somehow to reduce the energy usage of your building, and that actually is done under recognition. So that's it, briefly. There are rules. These codes, these rules, both 84 and 87, are on city's website, and you can find more information on NYC.gov. Thanks for your time, and we'll do it again next time. Thank you.